I see you. Yeah, you can fold it back. Good.
Ha. Oh, I know. Ha. Ear. Here is the roll.
I love that part.
So funny that. Here is the corn.
Ooh, I love that part too.
Dad, you're the funniest, actually.
Hmm?
You're the funniest, actually.
I'm the funniest, actually? Wow. High praise.
Here is the gravy.
Good job. I love that part.
Here is the turkey, which you love that part too.
I do love that part. Sometimes.
Here is the pumpkin pie.
Ooh, I love that part. Definitely love that part. You love that part too.
Yeah, I love it. Here is the apple pie.
I love that part.
you love all the parts. Here is the mashed potatoes.
Good. I love that part.
Here is the stuffing.
I love that part.
The end.
The end.
Wait.
What? What are we doing now?
I need to draw that end.
Oh, good.
How do I spell end?
How do you think you spell end?
First I start with an E. D.
There's a sound in the middle, though. Did you miss a sound in the middle?
D. D. Ed.
Well, that's what you wrote, right? You wrote Ed. What's in the middle?
Your name is Ed.
Yeah. You're right. My name begins with N. Does that have something to do with this?
No. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's in the middle.
Good.
When you ask,
Nice job.
does that have something to do with it? I know it's an N.
Thanks, Aeryn.